Hi everyone, welcome to Traveling with the Elliots. We're aboard the Disney Wish and we're going to give you a room tour. We don't have a balcony this time, but we have a pretty exciting room. So we're at 8502. We're at the very front of the ship. So we do have our magic bands linked. And when you walk in, you're greeted by Tyler. Not really. And as you can see, it's very different than the normal ocean view. But let's start with the bathrooms. Where are the lights? So the light is right there. And then this is just the toilet area. And then they have a sink and your hand soap. So if you know the Disney scent, this is what you're looking for. And then there's the hand towels with the beautiful Disney Cruise logo. We have some extra shelves right here and some hanging hooks. Then there is also more shelves right here, the trash cans below, and then another towel. And then also the sharp's waist for if you have medicine that you need to take with a needle. So if you don't know, you've noticed that this is only the toilet. On Disney cruises, it's split up into two. There's a whole nother bathroom in here. This has your shower and bathtub. And then another sink. So multiple people can get ready, brush their teeth, wash their hands. There's a trash can, towels, hand towels, and tissues. Here's your sink. The lotion, which is the beautiful sea salt scent. Beautiful. And then there's the makeup towel, more hand towels, your bath towels with the logo, of course. Then the mirror has light, like a light ring all around. Shower's very nicely tiled. Then back here is your hanging line for your bathing suits or any wet clothing that you want to hang. Shelving, the Disney shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. A shower head that this can adjust based on height. So that's probably going to be for Tyler, and mine's probably going to be like all the way down here. And then you can also do the bottom faucet for if you want to take a bath, if you have kids that you do baths with. And then this is a glass door, which is very nice. No sticky shower curtains sticking onto you. And then when you exit, you have a full length mirror. Full length mirror. And then when you enter from the room, to the right is your closet. Ooh, I slide really well. Top shelf, you have your life vest. You have some hangers. There's a tiny cubby. And then when you split the sliding doors, you have your shelves and your safe. In a laundry bag, which depending on your status, you can get free laundry. More shelves. Then third sliding door with more life vest, hangers, and just more space. So that's the closet. Also, when you walk in, you have your lights. So you have to put a key in. It looks like this was left by our room steward, so we appreciate that because we forgot our little card. But this controls the main lights, but you have to have this in order to turn on the lights. So then you also have your thermostat, which we like to use the boost button. Just makes it a little bit colder for a little while. And the AC just kicked on, so that's working for sure. And then the dresser area has your water glasses. And then this is where our gifts are that we got. Shelving and more tissues. And then here they have USB and USB-C outlets along with, I believe that's a European outlet. We have ceiling, which is, I like that they have it labeled. I don't think it's working.
No, it's coming here.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's a little one right here for sale.
Oh. Oh, there it is.
It's just bright in here, so the big window.
Yeah. So this one has a nice little ring light thing on the mirror. And then more shelves with your phone that you can order room service, call guest services, request a wake-up call, request housekeeping, call a Sunset Spa.
Is there more shelving in here than in the normal room?
I feel like there's more shelving in this room.
I think it's deeper because of the layout.
Oh, and here are the trash cans. As you can see, we already are using the recycling. And then the stool, your little vanity stool down here. And here you'll find your room service for breakfast. You could put it out the night before. So if you have like an early excursion that you need to get off the ship, you just need to have it in by 3 a.m. on your door, not the night before. Usually there's postcards and pens, but we didn't get that this time. Here's some drawers. The hair dryer, and then a thermal mat, which is good for if you have like a straightener. You could just lay it out and put your straightener on. That way you're not burning the counter. And then below is a cabinet, but with shelving, deep pockets. Make sure you don't forget anything in there because that looks like something easily that you could forget something. Another drawer. And you would think that this is a drawer, but it's not, or like a clothing drawer, but it's not. It's actually where your cooler fridge is. So we already have it stocked with the beers that we brought. Then we have a king size bed, very nice and soft, with Princess Tiana and Prince Naveen. So cute. And then on your bedside, you have another drawer and some plugs with a USB and USB-C. More light switches. This one is for that light right above. And this one is for this one. Here we go.
There's one on the left too. Yeah, there you go.
And there's a hook right here. And then there's also a reading light, which is good because Tyler and I are reading books a lot more lately. And then a little lamp, which has...
This one just fell apart. Let's go housekeeping on that. Is this a switch on the bottom here?
Yes.
Oh, there you go. It works.
Well, this lamp has a nice little design on it with Mickey on it. It's a lot different than the other ships. Ooh, it brightens it up. Oh, that's really cool. And then the pillows have Mickey's on them. It's the cruise logo. And the sheet does too. I don't know if you can see it. Yay! And then here, another drawer. No USB or USB-C outlet, but you do have a regular outlet, and I believe that's a European outlet. More light switches that are the same for the above lighting and the right above lighting. Another reading light that is very squeaky. This is loose, but it works. There we go. And then this does the same, brightens it up. And on the bottom of the bed, there is plenty of space to hide your suitcases so you don't have to put them in your closet. And we have this couch, which I believe is a pull-out couch.
It's gotta be right.
It has to be, I'm pretty sure. Tyler's gonna demonstrate. Ooh, whoa, that's really cool.
Like a little cot, one person cot?
Yeah,
Interesting.
very cool. So you got your couch, another Princess Tiana, and a little table that can slide underneath the couch. And then, because we are in the front of the ship, we have a slanted window. A slanted porthole is what they call it. So it is slanted, but we have a very large window and an amazing view. So pretty. So we can see Sunset Spa in the very tip of the ship and the rest of Port Canaveral. And you do have a nice size TV. Does this? No, it does not rotate. So that was our room tour for 8502 on the Disney Wish. Hope you liked our room tour. Please like this video and subscribe for more. We will be vlogging this entire cruise. Thanks for watching. See you soon.